All right, so it's add another file. We can add we have a screenshot. Yes, screenshot. Well, oh, file too large. The other settings. The other settings that you can configure the size, the limit of an upload. So that one, okay. So in our bucket, we refresh, you can see the screenshot has come, and we can preview the screenshot. We'll have it. All right. So that's it. How you can use the object storage. Now, I think one thing we can do is to create a way we can download the file. So that the instead now of having to store your data in the databases, binary data and blobs, and imagine if you are storing videos, what maybe one video might be having around 500 MBs, and then that would be heavy on the database. So I think it would be good, before we finish up on this series, to have a download, how now you can download the file. So we'll head up to the file service, and then add a method to download the file. Download files in file name and roll exception, and we need to have a try catch here. Catch. Then what we need to try is that get object response. MinIO client. Get object, and we need to get object as builder. Builder bucket. Bucket name, and then the object is file name to build, and then we can return new. Then we return that input stream. And so we can now create in our controller a download. This will be a get mapping download. And then the file name So what we need here, just get this and one. Critical response entity. This will be what, because this is a file to download. Then download file as valuable, string file name, have a try catch, input stream, yes, then the byte content stream content input stream, what bytes. Anytime response, okay, let's build it, and http dot content disposition, here's attachment, file name, nice. Then on content content type is a type, then dot body content. And what can we catch here? We can return response entity, not status. Yeah, that's nice. This is byte not booter. Right. Type, since the type is byte, this one let's just body, let's just put now alloys. But we can log and out. Yes. So let's try to rerun the application, upload a file and try to download it. So okay, now let's try to upload a file that has not a big name. We can rename this, delete file one. Yeah, so that can file one png send. It has been uploaded. Now we need to download it as download, and user get, and we need file name. The value is file one png. Let's try this in the browser. This is a get. Oh, let's first check for the image has come here. That's we have it there. I played. Oh yeah. The problem is because this is a rest. It's a rest, so I can just do it in Postman. Wait a minute. The file controller is download. Files download. Files download. Oh yeah. See the problem. Yeah, it's download. Then the file